Bargain lock cylinder replacement instructions. Tools needed: 1 pair of needle nose pliers, 1 flathead screwdriver, 1 pull knob apart, 2. Insert screwdriver to the press release tab on spindle as shown. 3. Remove stem from mechanism with needle nose pliers. 4. Insert key and rotate 180 degrees. 5. Remove the core. 6. Examine new core mechanism. Note: ensure locking tabs are in correct position. See Figure A. 7. Replace the new cylinder core. Warning: do not force the new core in slot. Ensure tabs are inserted properly in slots. See Figure B. Eight. Reinsert stem back into knob and rotate with needle nose pliers until it clicks. 9. Reassemble the knob.